bloody thing. Let's go. Ah, there we go.
Y'all know me. Know how I got eaten. Bad fish. Swallow me whole. Shaking, tenderizing, down I went. Well, listen up. Halloween is coming, and you know what all that means. Here at the Ultimate Jaws Group, starting October 1 for the entire month, we want you to send in your videos dressed up as your favorite character. Send them in, and you get a chance to win $200. Starting October 1, or if you can start sending them in now, that's fine. However, must be dressed up, must be a video, anywhere from 5 seconds to an hour. We don't care, no holds barred. So, most importantly, have some fun, enjoy the Halloween season as you all do, and here at the Ultimate Jaws Group, we toast. Toast to our legs! No half-assed astronauts here, folks. Enjoy! Look forward to seeing your videos! Yes! Farewell and adieu!
Farewell and adieu to you Spanish ladies. Farewell and adieu to you ladies of Spain. For we've received orders back to sail for old England, but we hope in a short time to see you again. We'll rant and we'll roar like true British sailors. We'll rant and we'll roar all on the salt seas until we strike soundings in the Channel of